Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and today I was going to show you a steering kit that we offer. We actually have steering kits for many of the vehicles that we work on, and this particular kit here happens to be for the 58 through 64 Impalas. And what it is inner and outer tie rod ends in our adjusting sleeves. It's a nice little package. There are two kits actually available. The 58 through 62 has a part number of a 65862, and the other one for 63 and 64 is actually a 66364. They look identical, and the only difference really is the outer tie rod end. There's some minor changes, and that's about it. So we thought we'd let you know about these because a lot of times you're searching for steering and parts to repair your steering linkage. Here's a nice little package for you that might help you out. So, 58 through 62, inner and outer tie rod ends. This is, by the way, the adjusting sleeve is an 80J9. It comes assembled, ready to go. Just plug it in. And for 63 and 64, it's a 66364. If you're looking for steering, perhaps we've got something here that would work out for you. If you're interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.